Hi, we are Leanne and Nick Polidor.
Together, we own and operate Hemlock & Hyde, a leather goods business.
We mainly focus on designing and hand-making one bag at a time with a great attention to detail.
Our work has been sold in the Philadelphia Museum of Art. We've been featured in the local press, as well as several makers' podcasts.
I absolutely love structure, and I find it in everything that inspires me, from vintage baskets to buildings. From my inspiration, I sketch out my idea and go straight to patterning. I prefer to design on paper, so that I never lose my sense of scale in relation to the body.
Blending function with art is the essence of who we are. Bags are meant for carrying things, and vegetable tan leather, because of its rigidity, is perfect for making them. It's called veg because of the plant-extracted tannins used in the process is one of the oldest known to humanity.
We wanted to bring something to the story of Leathercraft by joining heritage quality with contemporary shapes.
In this Domestica course, you'll learn the tools and techniques on how to create your own designs out of vegetable tan leather.
For the final project, you will make a half-circle crossbody bag, our Moonrise design.
First, we'll get familiar with veg tan leather, then set up our workspace. After sketching our pattern, we'll explore several leatherworking techniques.
Next, we'll cut and prepare each piece. We will then fold the gusset, glue it to the front panel, and punch sewing holes.
Lastly, we will hand stitch our bag, finish our edges, and make an adjustable strap. We'll also show you how to customize your piece with hardware.
As a bonus, we will discuss how to find your design voice and share and promote your work. By the end of this course, you will be able to produce unique wearable pieces of art that truly fit your style.
You'll need simple leatherworking hand tools such as blades, hole punches, and needles.
Stop searching for your dream leather bag. Make it.